Hi guys, this product is for everyone that loves to spend time outdoors but dread the heat and humidity. Let me introduce you to the Zero Breeze Mark II, the portable air conditioner that will change your life and your view on outdoor living. This baby weighs only 16.5 pounds, runs on a battery for 3 to 5 hours and is super energy efficient. Say goodbye to the bulky AC units and hello to cool and comfortable camping. The Mark II has different modes to suit your needs. Rocket mode for those quick cool downs, sleep mode for a peaceful night's sleep, and fan mode for long lasting cooling. And the best part, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty that includes free repairs, replacements and parts replacement. When you order the Zero Breeze Mark II, you will receive the air conditioning unit, power adapter, drainage pipes, outlet ducts, venting hoses, IR remote controller and a user guide. It's time to beat the heat and enjoy the great outdoors. Let me introduce you to the Giga Lounger, the inflatable lounger that's changing the game. With its innovative design and air vortic electric air pump, this lounger is incredibly easy to inflate in under 2 minutes, making it perfect for everyone. Plus, it's ultra lightweight and compact. Weighing only 1 kilogram, it can easily transform into a backpack for easy transport. It's perfect for laying out and relaxing and can even safely and comfortably accommodate 2 to 3 adults sitting together. But that's not all. The economic curved design of the lounger supports your body evenly and comfortably. The Giga Lounger is also resistant to water splashes, making it perfect for outdoor use, and even features a USB Type-A port for recharging smartphones, tablets and other devices. Made of durable and tear-resistant nylon material, this lounger is built to last and provide you with the ultimate comfort experience. So why wait? Upgrade your outdoor relaxation game with the Giga Lounger today. This is the Interguise Cold Plunge Tub, the perfect solution for people who want to enjoy the benefits of cold therapy anytime, anywhere. This portable inflatable tub is ultra durable and comes equipped with a powerful cooling system designed to fit users of all sizes. Setting up the tub is a breeze, taking only 15 minutes. Just inflate it with the included pump, connect the quick fit hoses, fill it up and turn it on. The water can cool from 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 37 degrees Fahrenheit in approximately 2.5 hours. The Interguise Cold Plunge Tub is also designed with your safety and health in mind. It features a UV sanitation and a 20 micron filtration system, ensuring clean and sanitized water. With the smart app, you can control the tub remotely and schedule automated temperature adjustments according to your preferences. Experience the benefits of cold therapy anywhere, anytime with this Interguise Cold Plunge Tub. Have you heard of the Splash Twin? It's an e-scooter that is revolutionizing the way we commute. This innovative scooter is designed to provide a reliable and comfortable ride for commuters. Equipped with 2 electronic motors and a custom suspension system, it offers superior performance and durability. The Splash Twin is known for its impressive speed and acceleration, reaching a top speed of up to 28 miles an hour and an acceleration of 0 to 15 miles an hour in just 3 seconds. And the best part, it's one of the most affordable dual electric scooters out there, making it an excellent option. One of the standout features of the Splash Twin is its suspension system, which combines springs and swing arms to provide exceptional shock absorption. This results in a smoother and more comfortable ride compared to the other scooters in its price range. Plus, the adjustable front and rear suspension system lets you customize your ride and cushion the bumps on the road. The dual mechanical braking system and multi-level protection mechanism provide added safety. The puncture-resistant solid fat tires and ambient multicolored side lights add to the scooter's appeal. The Splash Twin is definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a reliable and comfortable e-scooter. This is the Anker 757 powerhouse. This portable power station is seriously impressive. It has infinity power technology, PO4 batteries and a super durable design, which means it's built to last for over a decade even with everyday use. Plus, with a full 5-year device warranty from Anker, you don't have to worry about a thing. It can recharge up to 80% in just 1 hour with HyperFlash technology, or in 3.5 hours with solar power. With a massive 1229 watt-hour capacity and 1500 wattage, this powerhouse can even power appliances like electric grills, coffee makers or refrigerators when you're off the grid. If you are looking for a reliable power source that can handle all your needs when the battery banks just aren't enough, the Anker 757 powerhouse is definitely worth checking out. Plus, with the welcome guide, 3 types of charging cables and professional customer service, you'll have everything you need to get started. Trust me, you won't regret this purchase. Are you dreading the day you need to change your car tire in an emergency? This is the 12-volt roadside impact wrench. Changing wheels has never been this easy. This device is very compact, fits in your hands and hardly takes up any space, even in the case. The tool can charge with a cigarette lighter socket, which makes it ideal to use on the road. For more variability, 2 dual-size sockets are included in the case. The dual sizes are 23 to 21mm and a 19 and 17mm sockets. The 12-volt roadside impact wrench has excellent power with up to 5000 RPM and 258 foot-pounds of torque, which means it can remove the wheel nuts from almost any passenger car in just a few seconds. Next time you have a flat tire, there will be no need to call the roadside assistance when it's this easy to change the tire. This is the LiftRite electric stair climber. This is the ideal tool for any delivery driver and will make your day so much easier. Lifting heavy loads up multi-levels of stairs will be a breeze with this electric stair climber. It can take a load of up to 1,100 pounds depending on the model. It allows you to transport objects in a comfortable position, avoiding unnecessary strain on your back. The mechanical pusher raises the cart one step at a time, taking the load off your back. The stair climber has some amazing features, starting with the active safety brakes at each step, a drive switch and a small panel where you can switch between going up or down stairs. You can switch between single step or continuous climbing modes and even choose your climbing speed.